here that electric vehicles are the future. Zero emission, eco-friendly, heroes that will save our planet from pollution. But is it really that pure? Behind their shiny and silent bodies lies a dark story of mines, forests, and people who suffer. Every electric car needs a massive battery, and inside that battery is a crucial metal, nickel. Indonesia is one of the world's largest nickel producers. Areas like Sulawesi and Halmahera have become busy mining centers. Yet behind those impressive production numbers hides a heavy price. Trees cut down, landslide, polluted rivers, and fishermen losing their livelihood.
But they also leave deep scars on the land they exploit. Many people think electric cars are completely clean because they emit no smoke. But pollution doesn't disappear, it just moves somewhere else. Mining and refining nickel requires huge amounts of energy, and ironically, most of that energy still comes from coal, one of the dirtiest power sources. So, when we drive an electric car, the smoke might not come up of the exhaust pipe, but from the chimney of our coal power plants miles away. On top of that, nickel processing often uses strong acids that produce toxic waste. Some companies even dump this waste into the sea, poisoning marine ecosystem and killing coral reefs.
Are electric cars truly better than gasoline cars? In the long run, yes, if the electricity comes from renewable energy. But right now, many countries, including Indonesia, still rely heavily on coal. This means the total carbon emissions from mining, battery production, transportation to electricity generation can actually be higher than those from a regular gasoline car. Electric vehicles will only become truly green when their entire production chain is clear. Without that, we're not solving the problem, we're just moving it from the city air to the heart of the earth.
Beyond damaging the environment, nickel mining also affects people's lives. Local communities lose their farmland and their main sources of income. Clean water becomes harder to find, and tensions underground between residents and the mining companies. Big corporations take the profit, while the people living near the mines are left with the consequences. So, electric cars aren't a perfect solution, at least not yet. We do need clean technology, but we also need honesty about its real impact. The earth doesn't just need cars without smoke. It needs an energy system that's fair and sustainable. Because if being green means cutting down forests, then that's not real progress. It's just an illusion.
Industri hijau itu perlu didefinisikan ulang. Kalau industri hijau diperoleh dari kegiatan yang menggusur tanah rakyat, menggusur perkebunan rakyat, saya kira itu bukan green industry.